Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilasha Singh and I bring to you easy breezy makeup tutorials. If this is the first time you're here, please do not forget to subscribe because you're going to learn quick and easy things instead of thinking makeup is difficult. So why don't we start today? And what I have for you today is how to pair a smoky eye with different lipsticks. You know, sometimes you wear a smoky eye and you're confused, and most of the people usually go and do nude lipstick. Like I right now have a very nude lipstick on this look, but I'm going to show you different things to pair and not look out of the top in the face with smoky eye and loud lips. So why don't we go ahead and start? My first combination is a Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat with Anastasia Beverly Hills. What I love doing is always, of course, after prepping my lips with a concealer and a lip balm, the whole process, I love filling my entire lip with a lip pencil. Make sure whenever you use a lip pencil, it is sharpened. A sharp lip pencil always gives you a well-defined line. Don't just pick up your pencil and do it without sharpening it. You will never get that defined line. And always start with the Cupid's bow. Right here is the Cupid's bow. Once you outline the lip, you can go ahead and fill it completely. So let's go ahead and outline the lip and fill it completely. You see that? This would be when you want an absolute nude lip, and you can totally just do this and leave it to that. But I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia. It's a very beautiful lavender color. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fill my entire lip with that. How the smoky eye gets lifted. It is so amazing to use colors and not look overly done. Let's just put it that way. So this smoky eye with my lip cheat and my Anastasia Beverly Hills is combination 1. A mixture of a dark and a light color. Whenever you apply a darker lip pencil and go with a lighter lipstick, the combination shade is phenomenal. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD in 718. It's a burgundy. And I'm going to top it off with Anastasia lipstick. It's a very beautiful pinkish brown shade. We are again going to go ahead and apply the lip pencil all over my lips and then do the lipstick on top. So let's do this. This combination is specifically for people with thin lips. This will give you a poutier and a fuller looking lip. I'm going to fill the top lip only half for a change, and let's go ahead with the lipstick. See that the shade of dark and light automatically gives you such a fuller looking lip. And again, to make it more poutier, just go ahead . Told you, mixing a dark and a light color always gives you a very beautiful blend. It's Makeup Forever HD pencil and Anastasia lipstick in Sedona. Pretty, right? Combination is something out of the box. Something that I think, I love the color. I hope you like it too. But it's just a lip pencil. I am not. Did you see the color? Did you see that? Okay. I'm doing just a lip pencil. I'm not doing any lipstick on top of this. So make sure that your lip is nicely moisturized because lip pencil naturally has a drier texture. So nice lip balm, take off the excess and then apply the lip pencil. This is a beautiful color by MAC Cosmetics called Magenta. And obviously, please sharpen the pencil like I always say. Sometimes when you're wearing an outfit that is very light in color or pale and you want a pop of color, you know, with the smoky eye, this is what it is. I love this color. It's just a pencil, you know, nothing else. In case you have thin lips and you want it to stand out a little more, I'm going to take the same Makeup Forever HD pencil and just go on my Cupid's bow and the outer corner. And it stands out, doesn't it? One of the most beautiful colors I think out there. I love lavender, I love mauve, I love any of these colors, you know, and your face just pops out. It's so beautiful. And of course with darker colors, be careful on the corner of your mouth. With my concealer on my lip and obviously my lip balm, taken off the excess, put on the concealer and waiting to put my lovely red color. Classic favorite, brown smoky and red pencil. So I have this beautiful shade by MAC Cosmetics in Cherry and I have Urban Decay in Bad Blood. So I'm going to put Cherry all over the outline and my inside is going to be Bad Blood. Again, I'm not using any lipstick, it's just lip pencil. I think lip pencils stay longer and they make your lipsticks also stay longer. Pencils are the most important part when you apply lipstick. Like I said, I'm just going to fill in my lip line. And now with Urban Decay Bad Blood. Now Urban Decay lip pencils have a very beautiful creamy texture. If you want to see if you haven't checked out the video on how to stop your red lipstick from bleeding, I am attaching the link. I did it a couple of months back. These are the colors that lift your face. They don't look sallow. This red is amazing. Always a favorite. I cannot say anything about red. I love red color. Again, I'm going to take Cherry and go all over the lip line with this. there we are. 2 pencils, Urban Decay and Cherry. And the face looks amazing. I love red. I hope you guys liked the combinations. I think they were just different than your usual red or nude lipstick. They can be paired with the outfits you wear, they can be paired by itself. Brown smoky is such a classic, and a matte brown smoky, such a classic eye makeup. You must experiment with lipsticks, you know. I mean, what's the fun in just doing the standard things? I will see you next Tuesday with yet another tutorial, yet another amazing, easy breezy hack or any hair tutorial, I think. And until then, take care, be safe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And take care. Bye.